Ichilakaranji bus stand. For many years, my viewers have been asking me to make a video of Ichilakaranji bus stand. So here I am. I wanted to go directly to Belagavi and Bangalore, but I just came here. A short video I'll make. Karnataka bus is standing there. Gajendragada Ichilakaranji, Ilakal Ichilakaranji, Hospete Ichilakaranji, Gajendragada Ichilakaranji, Guduru, Aminagad, Bagalakote, Mudolu, Mahalingapura, Chikkodi Ichilakaranji, Ilakal Ichilakaranji, Ilakal Unagand, Bagalakote, Mudolu, Mahalingapura, Chikkodi Ichilakaranji, Nippani, Belagavi, Dharwad, Hubballi, Gadag, Hospete. Sangli, Anarbawadi, Sangli, Ichilakaranji, Nippani, Kapshi, Anarbawadi, Ichilakaranji depot, Kolhapur division. Some Karnataka bus is coming. Quickly I'll try to show the timetable and then I'll leave. Because I have to go to Bangalore. Oh, Karnataka bus timetable ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ. ಇಂಡಿ ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 5 ಮತ್ತು 6ವರೆಗೆ, ಹುಬ್ಳಿ ಧಾರವಾಡ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ವಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗಿದೆ ನಿಪ್ಪಾಣಿ ಬಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಚಿಕ್ಕೋಡಿ 6 ಕಾಲಿದೆ, 7ವರೆಗಿದೆ, 2 ಮಾರ್ಗ್ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಸದಲಗ ಮಾರ್ಗ್ ಬಂತು, NWKRTC, ಜಮಖಂಡಿ, ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿ ಇದೆ, ಗುಡ್ಡ, ಬಾಗಲಕೋಟ್, ಚಿಕ್ಕೋಡಿ. Very old bus. Kagal. So much rush. Shirala. So that's it. There's no bus now. I want to go to Chikkodi and then go to Belagavi. I don't know how to think about it. Timetable. Please pause and see. Paltan. Jaisingpur. Jyotiba. Nasik there is one bus. Mumbai also there is one bus. Shirdi 2 buses. Pune. Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, Solapur, Latur, Jat. Jat is nearby but only 3 buses. Chiplun, Mumbai, Shirdi,